Hello guys, this is Harsh Mishra from Junction.com. So in this video, I'm going to show you 5 free best WordPress hosting service provider so that you can host your WordPress website free of cost. And I have 5. I've used these 5 personally, and I will tell you its pros and cons. Their pros and cons. So let's get started. So this is the list. uh, One first, I have mentioned ZeroZero Web Host. It's a free of cost web hosting. uh, so its feature is host your WordPress website up to 2. So you can host 2 WordPress website for free. They will not charge any money from you. Custom build hosting dashboard. One click WordPress installer, so that you can just install WordPress in a single click. Not in single click, just its name is one click WordPress installer. You have to it's easy to install WordPress. So it's from Softaculous. And 1 GB storage, it's enough for a small website. If you are using blog, or your website is some small website and does not contain so much of media files, so it's enough for that. And 3 GB of bandwidth per day, and no ads. Free website builder, but no, they will not show any ad, but in the corner of your website when you host, then there will be the watermark of ZeroZero Web Host, that this website is hosted on ZeroZero Web Host. You can remove it. They will not allow, but you can remove. Just when you install WordPress, they will automatically inject some code on your website, and then you can remove by removing that code from your WordPress website. So its pros. You can use your own custom domain, so they will allow you to use your own custom domain. If you have .com or .co.in, any domain, you can use it, or you can also use their subdomain, that is ZeroZero Web Host. Custom hosting dashboard that makes it easy to perform key action like installing WordPress. You can get full access of underlying server and database. You can host 2 websites for free. So this is the pros and this is the cons. You can I will share this link for this guide. You can read it, and in this video, let's I will show you their dashboard and other stuff. So first of all, login. So till then, let's read cons of Zero Web Host. So they will no provide support for email hosting. WordPress will suspend it if you exceed the free limits. Yeah, this is the cons of the web host. Even for all free web hosting that provide free web hosting for your WordPress, they will suspend your account anytime if you exceed the limit, or you will host a WordPress website with some malicious links or malicious media content. So it's same for it will be same for all the free web hosting service providers. So and slow, yeah, that's when a simple WordPress website takes 7.06 seconds to load, so it's too much. But if you want to host, or you are a beginner new buy, you don't have to buy cheap WordPress hosting or another premium WordPress hosting like Bluehost, HostGator. You can use it. So so this is the dashboard. You will always see this grab coupon, like when you will log into your dashboard. And so here is your manage website. upgrade. If you everywhere you will see the ad to upgrade to premium WordPress hosting, which will be the hostinger. And so let's manage. Click on the manage, or you can also build a free website with Zyro, their builder, powerful website builder. This is the dashboard of your ZeroZero Web Host. So this is the dashboard of ZeroZero Web Host, main dashboard. Here you can see website builder, install WordPress as I said earlier, one-click website builder, and so some features are not unlocked. Uh, you can see SEO toolkit, error pages. You have to upgrade to use these features. Like backup, FTP account. You can use file manager, host WordPress website here, park domain here, your domain, redirect, and to use subdomains you have to upgrade, and also for Cloudflare. But you can use Cloudflare externally if you have the IP address. Even they do not provide IP address of cPanel, so that you can use it. Email forwarders, but PMySQL database, PHP So this is the dashboard, and this is the file manager. Um, and here is statistics, monthly bandwidth quota, disk space, and other stuff. So here you can see the option to upload files in the file manager. Here is the file manager area. So this is fine if you want to use free web hosting, but its uh, con is that it's increase the loading time of website. So if newly WordPress website loading time is 7.06, and if your website is a blog or something with which contain approx 30 to 40 articles, then it's gonna take 13 to 14 seconds to load, and which is bad for SEO. So its major con is this. You can see public HTML. You can see the files. Here the wikination.com. Here, this is the files of my WordPress website. So this is it for the user web host. Let's move on to the next, which in my list is InfinityFree, which I personally used and recommend to use InfinityFree. So you can follow this link to access the InfinityFree website. Now you can go to client area. You have to first sign up. I've already signed up, so that's why it's not asking for me to sign up. So this is the dashboard of InfinityFree, and the accounts which I have already made. Website for Junction, and this is the username. And click on the manage. So is the you can access the control panel, file manager. You can edit account. Is the deactivate history. Two times my account was suspended for 24 hours. So I have crossed the limit, and one time I have second time I don't know why they have deactivated it. First time was due to the bandwidth. So its con is that if you are using a low traffic website, if your website uh, so then you can use it. If uh, if you are nearby or you want to see learn cPanel. So this is the cPanel. It's loading. For free user, you have to see, you will see this advertisement. But if you buy premium web hosting of InfinityFree, then you will not see you will any advertisement here. You can see the cPanel file, online file manager is the file manager. You can upload your WordPress files. You can see h3 docs. Here's the files. You can upload it here, files of your WordPress website, and you can subdomain, create subdomain, add on domain. So let's see subdomains. You can use Cloudflare. So you can create subdomain like wp wikijunction.ezp.com, or you can also use your custom domain if you have. So here is the MySQL details, account details, IP address. So this is it for the Infinity Web Host. So let's move on to free hosting. So yeah, here's the link. Let me close all these tabs. So free hosting be 1 minute. Both free hosting and Infinity free C panels are same. They are similar. So but different is features and pros and cons. So major con of all these web hosting that they will suspend your account anytime if you exceed the limit. So in premium web hosting, it's no they only suspend your account if you upload a malicious file or anything else. Otherwise, they do not suspend your account. So its major con is this. So you can see services I've taken. So free hosting, WordPress hosting, it's active and login. So name servers and their IP address valid SSL detected. So valid SSL, they also provide SSL. Panel IP address, username, domain. So this is the dashboard. Email, they will provide two emails. Bandwidth in infinity, so you can host high traffic website also. Disk space 10 GB, which is enough for high traffic website also. And you can access file manager here. So you can use both any of them as sorry any of them, uh, free hosting or infinity free web hosting, whichever you like to choose. You can choose and host website, WordPress website. So you can see public HTML. Here you will host your WordPress website. So it's premium looking WordPress cPanel. So you can upload your files, even go to phpMyAdmin. They will allow also phpMyAdmin to access phpMyAdmin. So current version 7.3. So it's the latest one. So other byte host, they both the and 10 hosting, x10 hosting. So these five I've personally used, and That's why I've listed them in this post. So you can host choose any of this free hosting, or you can read this guide to uh, read about the pros cons of all five WordPress web hosting, and then choose according to your need. So this is it for this video. So in the next upcoming video, I will show you how to migrate WordPress website from local host to free WordPress hosting or premium WordPress hosting. I'm gonna use any one of these hosting provider service and their subdomain, but the procedure will be same if you have custom domain, or if you have a premium web hosting like HostGator or Hostinger or Bluehost. So this is not a issue. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching.